Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a visual key. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the visual key is a tool of conceptualization and ideation. It got the following characteristics: allows to visualize and displays information collected in any kind of project. The tool can be used in any of the six stages in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. These tools allow us to visualize any type of information, problem, or situation that is being determined. Visual Key is a tool that allows viewing and sharing all the information in a group. The idea is that everyone can understand what is going on. The components are format, photos or illustrations, and analyze. Okay, so when you are going to start develop your visual key, the first thing is that you choose your format. It can be analog or it can be digital. It's up to you. It's also very important that you can define the size, because if you do it analog, like you can use paper or any other kind of product like that. But if you want to do it digital, you have to choose something that is interactive and that can allow all the group to interact with that. It's very important to collect the information and also to understand how are you going to visualize it. So when you do that, you start showing photos, pictures, illustrations. You can crop that information, you can put it together. You can do it by yourself or you can do it as a group. It's up to the kind of project or product that you are making. So you have to choose that kind of situation and information. It's very important to use subtitles. The subtitles allow you to know and understand what is the information that you are choosing. The data is also very important. You can show here information, and after that you start underlining, associating, highlighting what is most important here. The idea is that you show in a visual way the purpose of your analysis. So that is very, very important. After you do that, you could do the following thing as a conclusion. It will allow you to share positions through visuals with a group that is developing a project, or if you want to show it as a general public. The tool allows you to generate an insight as a result of the group analysis or crop photos or any visual support. It's really important because after you do that, you have to have a clear result. It's not just to show information, it's also to analyze it and have an insight to the project that you're doing. The key is the correct use of this tool is to generate specific results and clear analysis by yourself or as a group. Also, if you want to show it as a general public, is also really important that. Thank you very much. I hope this tutorial helped you with your development. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are and we keep going as the first channel in design thinking in the whole YouTube universe. Remember, on Monday we always have a new video in Spanish. On Thursday we always have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.